February 1931, construction began on a new tower that would become an icon for downtown Oklahoma City. By the time it was finished in November of that year, the First National Bank building would boast a notable architectural resemblance to another iconic Art Deco skyscraper, the Empire State Building in New York City. Even though it narrowly lost the great race of skyscraper construction in 1931 to its neighbor Ramsey Tower by just a few weeks, this landmark would reign as the tallest building in Oklahoma until surpassed by the new Liberty Tower in 1971. Since our founding in 1952, the iconic First National has always held a special place in our hearts and our firm's history. For 15 years, 2020 First National Building was our home. In more recent years, it's been our work's passion. This week, after nearly 7 years of reimagination, restoration, and renovation, this 90-year-old beacon of Oklahoma history reopens to the public in all its glory. And it's even more spectacular than we remembered it.